This first video is just a really quick fly through of criteria 2, so you're familiar with all the things that you need to do. First stage is the research plan, where we simply plan out all the research we're going to do for this section. We then need to look at design constraints, which are all the things that are going to limit the scope of your project. The next thing you need to do is to find out about your target market, so that's a survey and looking at their interests. We need to look at anthropometrics, the size of the people, and ergonomics, how they interact with products. We then need to take some existing products and analyse them under certain key criteria. We need to disassemble a product, and then we need to have a design specification which outlines all the things our product must do or be like in order to be successful. In the next step, we're going to go through each of these in more detail.